Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to filter videos by duration on YouTube. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. In the search bar at the top, enter your search query and hit search. YouTube suggests relevant videos based on your search query. If you scroll through the list, you can observe that few videos are very long and few videos are very short. To filter videos based on duration, click the filter icon at the top. A dialog box pops up. Here, under Duration section, select your preferred duration. As you can see, search results will now only include videos that are less than 4 minutes long. Similarly, you can find longer videos for the same search query. This is how you can filter videos by duration on YouTube. Thank you for watching.